Hey guys, I'm Lexi and today I'll be bringing you the video of my success with the 30-day sit-up challenge. Before this challenge, I couldn't even hardly do one single sit-up. Look at this.
Alright, down, put your hands behind your head, and then all the way up. All the way up. There's one. Okay. Down. And up. Okay, so we're starting from 1. Let's go again. You got this, kiddo.
My abs hurt from the side thingy.
Okay, look. I'm going to let you cheat. It's your first day doing them. Bring your hands around from in front of you. Cross your chest. Now do them.
Oh my god. Can I use your weight or something?
Come on.
Maybe
Okay, well if you can't do that, sling your arms. Okay, there's 2. And down. Again. 3. And down. 4. And down. Breathe. You're holding your breath.
This challenge requires you to complete 10 sit-ups each day of the challenge. So if you do a 7-day challenge, then you do 70 on your last day. If you do the 30 like I did, you will do a whopping 300 in one single session. Let's go ahead and check that out. All right, here we go.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop.
Okay guys, that was officially the end of the sit-up challenge. That was 300 sit-ups. So, wow. I actually finished this challenge, which, that's amazing, guys. But, well, now that I finished this challenge, I'm ready for the next one. So, If y'all have any ideas on what you might find interesting, please feel free to leave me a comment so that I can go ahead and review that and see what we might do in the next video. Not only are my abs like super strong now, but also just look how different I look. I mean, come on, I'm gonna go ahead and I'll post those pictures for you. Isn't just from the sit-ups. I also ate pretty healthy too. Lots of greens and proteins. My dad actually, he posted a video for that, and I'll drop the link below as well so you can see that too. But it was a lot of broccoli, spinach, tomatoes, steak, chicken. I even had fish. I mean, just look how yummy some of these meals are. Looked pretty good, didn't it? Okay, well, since I completed this challenge, I'm actually considering doing another one. So if you have any suggestions at all, please drop them in the comment below. And also, if you have not subscribed yet, please do so. I will be posting again shortly, and thank you so much for watching.